This is the confocal scanning process. 5x5 tiles just completing now for one of the oxygen-induced retinopathy retinas. Being scanned by this instrument. And using the Zeiss software system. After these are collected as a tile collection of 25 image tiles, I'll use the processing part of the software to also stitch them together and save a single file as one larger flat-mounted retina stained with isolectin B4. This will be completing in about 5 seconds. There, that one's done. Detail's nice. It's very easy to delineate exactly where all the capillary beds are.